Saturday night's main event. It was him versus Gunther for the world title. And people were excited. Like, he's finally gonna win a world title. Like, people were behind him. He loses. People are mad again. Online moaning. Why is the title not on Jey Uso? Why is it on Gunther? Gunther bores me. Why is it not on Jey Uso? Fast forward a week later, he wins the Royal Rumble, which means he has another opportunity to fight for a world title. And now people are mad. I'm confused. He has another opportunity to fight for the title. Y'all were moaning fucking last year that he wasn't getting a push. Now he's getting a push. He won the Rumble, and he has an opportunity. Now we're mad. Like, make up your minds. Like, what are we doing?